Hello guys, for today's video is where we're going to play The Floor is Lava in Roblox. So, nagduwa na din sila. Wala ko naka-appeal. So, let's see. Laka-laka, kalaki. Pagkasabaa. So, if kung wala pa ka naka-subscribe, please, if you forgot to subscribe me, please smash that subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell so you can see my new latest video. And please lunch and cook heart. Thank you. So, happy to mag-start a new round in 5 seconds. Sana ako sa mga naka-survive. So, the chosen map is OB9. More easy raman eh. So, let's try. Ay! So, mo din ako second vlog in this channel. So, please lang dyan ko. Ay, hala, Diyos ko. Please lang dyan ko make my account blow up like other YouTubers na nakita sila, like that. They earn money. Really like that. I want to try it, man, good. Ah! So hard! Oh, finally. Oh, yeah, I finally made it. Woohoo! So, ayaw mo panukmod, y'all. So, probably mga 5 rounds lang guro niya itong kuanon. Yes. Hilom lagi ang game, no? Why is it so, it's so quiet. Yay! Naka-survive ta! We can see our name here, Albatros35. Yay! Next round, please. Hi, mga call. Hi! Ay, chosen map, pillars. Oh, no. Okay, let's go here. Pillars. I know. No. I hope it's not really that hard. Excuse me. Wait a minute. Why is it so bagal to walk? Come on. We finally made it. Oh no, there's a giant diamond here. Uy, that's mine! Too late. I already took. They already took it. No. Luna stop. Ay, over naman sa Luna stop. Oh no! Ah! Help! Thank you. We've survived the second round. Let's do Lava Escape. Lava Escape, sorry. Lava Escape, y'all. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, Lava Escape. For me, Lava Escape is mine. I know. Oh no, I'm lagging. Is it a meteor? I know, it's a worm. I hope we'll survive. Oh no, this is mud. Over naman sa English, Bisaya ta. So, saan siya lapok? Another free spinning wheel, one we said. Pero, ato na i-try later. No. I better not fall. Hoy, ayaw mo panukmod! Hoy! Ayaw mo panukmod! Hala, tabangi! Ah! Help! Oh no! I did not make it! Wala ko nakaabot! 30 sa nakaabot diha, oh. Sana all. Oh, good for you too. Sa mag-explore tayo ni ayaw kung sana. Ay, ako kaano kuha na lang ta majority wins. Don't fear. I don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah. Come on. Ay! Uy, stop! let's try to get up so that kita makuan sa lava. At ito, babaw dun ta. Pwede makuan sa lava, of course. So, tara. So, credits dahil ko sa game na this kay naka-vlog ko to. Lang kami na sa game. So, thank you sa pag-appeal, pag-invite na ko ani so like dili pag like wala ko gi-ban ani siya para maka-up para dili ka appeal sa mga to. Thank you thank you Roblox for letting me so daghan na bagyaw na to. Focus sa tahala gyud nila paganha. Oh, there they ladder. Nice. Uy! Yeah! Thank you, Lord! Pagkasaba ba ni _945? So, murag last round na lang rin ako, guys. Hala! Naunta man ko! Hala, naunta ko! Hala niya, oh, there I die. Sabit! Kaya ba na kumulakaw? Tulong ano, yaya ko kumulakaw. Ano, yaya kumulakaw, yay. Ay mo panok mode, try mo panok mode. Panok mode mo. Revive ka ani. This is how to survive a lava. Like that. Hindi, panukmo, jud mo. Kaya murag masimbagan, jud ka mo. Murag ko mahinaikan. Ay! Hala! Kabati! Hala ka, sayang! Sayang ka to, So, yeah. Sayang nga, uy. Murag last na lang na round na ko, guys. Kay murag short vlogger na siya na ko. Wait, yeah. OMG, that's survive. Oh no. It's so loud. Kalangas, uy. Pa-comment lang guys kung kapila ko nag-speak of English, like sentences. Over. Over naman sa sentences, madam. Over sa sentences, madam. Hala! So, that's it, y'all. So, thank you for watching my video. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to update to notify if wala ba ko bago na uploaded na video. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.